What's up guys, so today we're going to be playing this game called Don't Press the Button. Yeah, I won't press the button. And you can see it's already going, so why not play it? Okay, now I've played this before, you can already see it, but I just wanted to play it and show you guys about this game. Now this game is quite addicting, but it can get boring, but this game's really fun. But it's recently gotten a new update with loads of random maps, okay? Already a random one. Oh god. Oh no! I love how Bob just died just randomly. I'm gonna press the button. I am cool. Oh god. Dodgeball? Oh yeah. I'm gonna get all the Bobs. Bob shouldn't exist. Oh no! Oh yes, I killed the blue Bob. No, I killed the new Bob looking. I don't know. Yes, I killed the blue Bob. I got 10 coins. Oh, and my friend is going to. Oh, okay. So yeah, sad. Okay, so oh god, the chef. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join another server for my friend to join. He sadly can't speak, but yeah, just. Yeah, so we're just gonna play it. Yeah, watch all my friends, I don't care, really. Don't press the button. Okay. Okay, so my friend is going to join. Here he is. Say hello to Kezra. Okay, so yeah, bit of inconvenience, so that's alright. And I guess Fize. Okay, I'm not gonna say that. Okay, we're both troll face. We're the troll face gang. Oh no. Alright, okay. Time for a trivia question. I don't know. You guys guess. Freeze. It was freeze. It was freeze. Well, guys, yeah, we totally got that right. Yeah. Oh, this match. Oh. And my friend is on the other team. We are gonna win this though. You have bacons on your team. You have bacons on your team. You have bacon. I don't know. They're just kind of trash at the game. Like not bacons are still cool though. No Sigma's me those. I'm just stealing all your colours. Yeah, we definitely won. Ace! Don't say that. Anyways. Oh no, it's this one again. I'm gonna die. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Oh my god, I died again. I just died again. And my friend just completely survived that. Oh my god. I don't like this one. This one's just a regular one. This one's just like the most regular one ever. Okay, so I don't like this one. It's just kind of boring. But yeah, that's your opinion, so just comment what you prefer. Okay, 8. I have to be winning. Okay, so this game's just boring. Like, but I'm recording a video. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. What? Oh no. Oh, I'm pushing this bomb. Oh no. I died. Oh no. I died. Yeah, I just died. Okay. Oh my god, we're getting so many of the same ones. We're so unlucky. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Okay, well my friend's losing. Okay, well my friend's lost. Okay, so we're gonna do one more, and then yeah, I think we'll just end this. Okay. Ooh, we won. Oh my gosh. Oh, what if I just touch them? Oh, okay, they kill you. Oh, I just died again. Oh, wait, what? That's so weird. Ah, no. Okay, one more. Oh god, the last button. Press. Okay. Oh no. Whoa, way to finish this off. Okay. Okay, I can. You're so close. My friend was so close to dying. Oh, you're dead. You're dead. You just have to be. How? It goes. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this. So, bye guys. Sorry. So, bye guys. Bye.